So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin kabola, isa na naman pong fresh na trade rumor galing kay Snow Badwa. Active po kasi ulit si Boss No, number 1 po natin na source ng trade rumors po kabola sa PBA. So may hindi pa ako subscribe pa kay Pindot naman po yung subscription button. Comments pa naman ng fans, Reynald Bendol. Sabi Chua, kulang daw players ng Ginebra, need backup players. Sabi niya kabola, actually sobrang loaded na nga nila. Need ba talaga nila ng additional backup? Maybe in the big man position. Clay 15, ano update sa TNT? Tuloy pa ba yung mga kuha nila ng isa pang point guard? Bossing, puro rumors lang din. Wala na ata balak magdagdag ng players. Tignan natin kabola, meron pa silang around 2 weeks ata kabola before their first game kabola, so they have time kabola to decide kung ano po yung best spot for their team. James Sagalan, tama, tanggalin si Chua para magandang BBA, swapang yan, sabi naman niya. I mean that comment or that opinion is really strong, no, from the fans. Jerome Sedeno, mahirap mo kung matuloy. Mangyayari rin na kaya yan sa Magnolia, payagan kaya ni Chuapi, sabi niya kabola. I mean, I never heard Snow Badwa validate that kabola, no, na si Chua kabola ang dahilan kaya hindi nakakagalaw masyado po ang Magnolia. So, kung ako lang kabola, maybe hindi talaga si Chua yung issue nyo kabola, no. Sa first game po kabola ng PBA Philippine Cup this year, nalala po ang Terrafirma G, palakpakan naman dyan kabola, no? Nakita natin doon na pagbabalik po ng isang Terence Romeo, and he played really well. He played really matured, ano kabola. And so, diba, undefeated nga ng Terrafirma kabola, diba? Ala kayo. Pero of course, the anticipation is still that this will be their last conference. Although, nanahimik daw, hindi sumasagot itong team governor ng Terrafirma when he was being asked kabola about the sale. Now, technical lang siguro ito kabola. Wala pa naman tayong balita kung anong po sinabi sa board kabola. So, baka nag-iingat lang din si Sir Rosales kabola. Diba? Nag-iingat siya na hindi makabanggit po ng kung ano kabola na makasama pa dun sa sale. Kasi siya mismo, inamin naman na niya, agreement kabola. Now, sa second game naman po kabola, na ipanalo po ni Chris Newsom yung game. It was a come from behind victory by the Meralco Bolts. Remember, Meralco Bolts is the defending champ. And pinapaalala ni Chris Newsom, the main reason, one of the main reason why they won that Philippine Cup was a very, very good clutch shot by him. He is one of the best, if not the best, clutch shooter kabola in the league. At isa yan sa weapon nila going into this tournament kabola. Speaking ng nakalaban nila na Converge kabola, official na po na assistant coach nila si Governor Delta Pineda, and if you have watched the game, it seems like he is now the man in charge kabola. Unfortunately for them, their main guy or one of their main guy, Jordan Heading, is not available yet due to an injury kabola. Pero overall, Converge, this is a bad loss kabola, pero still a good learning experience for their young team. Now, punta tayo dito sa kabila kabola, San Miguel Beermen. May nilabas po na rumor kabola si Snow Badwa na parang nababanggit po ulit yung pangalan ni tong si Marshall Lassiter as a possibility po na ma-trade kabola to get something bigger, something more talented kabola. And again, hindi yan nakakagulat kasi between the two available po na ma-trade na part po ng Death 5 na Chris Ross sa Lassiter. Si Lassiter po kasi yung mas stable po yung trade value. So if they want to get a superstar, Lassiter is the better choice po na ilagay doon sa trade package kabola. So ikaw pa sa game, matatrade ka si Lassiter, gawin na po. So ba?